In the previous section, we talked about alkyl groups. Remember, those were types of substituents that only consist of carbon and hydrogens. Now for functional groups, we are introducing different types of elements like oxygen, nitrogen, and different halogens. So essentially, it's still a substituent. A functional group is just a specific type of substituent. So as we said, substituents replace a hydrogen on the major carbon chain, and they're attached to a carbon in the major carbon chain. Before we go over all the different functional groups that, yes, you definitely need to have memorized, let's just make sure we understand some key things. So the first thing here that I really want you to know is whenever I'm referring to, or whenever organic chemistry is referring to R, this is referring to the rest of the molecule. For example, if we were to have some sort of molecule as such, well, this entire carbon chain can then